Actually, I can say today is the day when Lady Byron, she's together with my other parrots. Okay, my other parrots actually they missed a bit the house because there was for more than 2 weeks they're not coming inside the house. Poulaki, because Lady Gaga, Lady Byron, she was around on the quarantine. So now you can see 3 of them together. Okay, they're keeping distance. My ones, they miss their toy. They're having fun. I'm thinking, shall I bring also all the rest of the parrots inside the house? Excuse me? No, that's not for you. Not even the mayonnaise. Come on. The ketchup, sorry guys. Mayonnaise was here on the table also. And Lady Byron, you lost your tail. The other ones, they're grown up. As you can see, they're quite long. Even the Souvlaki one is also long. Lady Byron, she lost 2 long ones, so it's quite short now. But it's gonna grow up. Now is the time when the parrots, cats, and dogs losing their hair or feathers. You don't want to go to meet the Lady Byron? You're flying just around. Hi, Lady Byron. Hey, you don't need to shout so loud. I can hear you. Yeah. I can hear you. Don't shout. Так, where is everybody? Lady Byron, she's on the rope upside down. As you can see. Even hanging on her bits. Oh, how can I show you now all of them? Okay. Somebody's going up to meet. Uh-oh. Lady Byron, she is not very friendly. Guys, actually, girls, don't fight. Be good. That's the Poulaki, she's going up. Lady Byron is sitting on my curtains. Souvlaki, as always, around the house. Now upside down. He missed his toy, her toy, because actually by the end is the girl. I have to get used to it to say girl. Okay, it's a bit unusual for me saying girl for him because I was waiting it's gonna be the boy. I was waiting it's gonna be the boy, but it is the girl by the end. It is the girl by the end. We had to make the DNA test. Both of them girls. So, and also this Lady Byron, which is 2 years old. I believe she's also gonna be the girl. No way to be a boy. Yeah, you want to jump on the telephone? He's crying. Oh, Souvlaki, he missed the doggy. He missed to play with the doggy and be chased. Tine Hyona, Souvlaki. Is the Souvlaki on the floor? Yeah. Where Souvlaki? Where you want to go? You want to chase the Hyona? Hyona, she's not scared of you. Excuse me, there is somebody definitely want some bread. No. Souvlaki, where are you going? You want to go out in the cage? You cannot just walk like that. The most important now, the ghosts do not come down. Because if the ghosts come down, the cat, he knows how to open my door. Opa! Somebody gonna make poop? Poop on the floor. Now the mommy have to clean. Actually, I have two poops here. But like it, the first one is yours. Hi, lady. Are you trying to avoid them? You're flying away. Come on, come to meet the girls. So like she decided to play with the mirror. Did you miss the mirror, Souvlaki? Huh? Did you? Yeah, that's yourself. Don't fight with yourself. Be gentle. Excuse me, leave the ketchup. Don't open it. Somebody is also on my back. I was the Poulaki. A loud bird? Yeah, you are. Show us some wings. 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 Good girl. Wings. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Can you jump also in the same position? I know you can do it. But every time when I want to ride you, you're always stopping it. Actually, I have to hide the box with the chips. Because this parrots is not the cockatiel parrots. It's the Alexandrine parrots. And they will manage to destroy them. Just because they're gonna make a noise. Yeah. Miro, Miro. Say who is the beautiful one. Oh, somebody's on my head. And not anymore. Lady Byron, come down. Hela. Hela, Lady Byron, come down. You will ask me how I understand who is who. There is a little secret which I will not tell you. Yeah, cook. Cook. Nook. 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 She's playing with the telephone. Hey, you, Stamata, stop it. Thank you for watching my Alexandrine parrots. Come, baby. Good girl. Oh my God. Ow. Giselle's also hearing me. And even he stopped destroying my pencil. Look at him, at her. Excuse me, you destroyed my pencil. I was a pencil. No more pencil. No more pencil. Say hi. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss, kiss. Somebody else came. A jealous one. Yes. Yes, babies. Ooh. Look at them, how they are listening. You like it? Kiss. Oh. Ooh. Wow. Kiss. 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 I don't know if you can see them both. Oh, I don't have nothing in my mouth. My little babies. My little babies. My little babies. Yes. Yes. You're making the doggy. Honey. Okay. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Αγάπη μου. Χιώνα. Πού είναι η Χιώνα? Where is the Χιώνα? Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Gidiguzu. Ow, somebody needs to cut his nails. Ay, not my phone. Not my phone. Not my phone, please. Don't destroy the case of my telephone. Yes. Honey? Me too. Me too. Thank you for watching us. Thank you. You see? A little babies. A loud babies. But I love them. Here we go. Bye, everyone.